Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we'll delve deeper into advanced maintenance tasks to optimize your Corolla's performance and longevity. Let's get started. Belt and chain checks. Inspect the timing belt every 60,000 miles and replace it by 100,000 miles. If your Corolla uses a timing chain, it may last longer, but regular inspections are still necessary. Signs of wear. Look for signs like fraying, cracks, or stiffness in the belt. For chains, listen for unusual noises like rattling. Ignoring the timing belt or chain can result in catastrophic engine failure, which is both costly and inconvenient. Regular inspections can save you from this nightmare. Focusing on these advanced maintenance tasks ensures your Toyota Corolla stays in excellent shape for years to come. Regular transmission services, coolant system checks, and timing belt inspections are essential steps in your car maintenance plan. Stay diligent and avoid costly repairs down the road. Maintenance tips for Toyota Corolla owners. Maintaining your Toyota Corolla can be easy, efficient, and even enjoyable when you decide to handle some tasks yourself. Not only does it save money, but it also helps you get to know your car better. Below are essential tools, step-by-step guides, and safety tips for DIY maintenance. Basic tools and equipment. Before getting started with DIY maintenance, you'll need some essential tools and equipment. Here's a list of must-have items. Socket wrench set. Essential for removing and tightening bolts and nuts. Jack and jack stands. Crucial for lifting your car safely to access the underside. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips are necessary for various tasks. Pliers and wrenches. Useful for gripping and turning bolts and nuts. Oil filter wrench. Makes oil filter changes quicker and cleaner. Funnel. Prevents spills when adding fluids. Gloves. Protect your hands from grime and sharp edges. Safety glasses. Keep your eyes safe from debris and chemicals. Step-by-step guides. Taking care of your Toyota Corolla at home can be straightforward with the right guidance. Here are simple steps for common DIY maintenance tasks. Changing air filters. Locate the air filter box, usually near the engine. Open the box and release the clips or screws holding it shut. Remove the old filter and take note of how it fits. Insert the new filter to match the orientation of the old filter. Close the box and secure it with clips or screws. Replacing windshield wipers. Lift the wiper arm and pull it away from the windshield. Remove the old blade, press the small tab and slide it off. Attach the new blade and slide it on until it clicks. Lower the wiper arm and gently place it back on the windshield. Checking fluid levels. Engine oil pulls out the dipstick, wipes it clean, reinserts it, and checks the level. Coolant, check the coolant reservoir and add if below the marked level. Brake fluid ensures it is between the minimum and maximum lines. Transmission fluid, check with the engine running and add as needed. Windshield washer fluid, top up if the reservoir is low. Safety precautions. Safety should always be a top priority when performing any maintenance task. Here are important safety tips to follow. Work on a flat surface to ensure your car is on a level surface to prevent it from rolling. Use the parking brake, always engage the parking brake before lifting the car. Wear protective gear, gloves and safety glasses are a must. Secure the car if using a jack, always support the car with jack stands. Follow the instructions and stick to your car's manual for specifics on each task. Taking care of your Toyota Corolla doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right tools, step-by-step guidance, and a focus on safety, you can perform essential maintenance tasks with confidence and ease. This hands-on approach not only saves money but also ensures your car stays in optimum condition. Choosing a professional mechanic or service center. When it comes to maintaining your Toyota Corolla, choosing the right professional mechanic or service center is key. The right choice can keep your car running smoothly and save you from costly repairs down the road. Let's explore some important factors to consider. Certification and experience. Selecting a mechanic or service center with the right certifications and experience is crucial. Certified mechanics have undergone rigorous training and testing, ensuring they know the ins and outs of your Toyota Corolla. Consider the following points. ASE certification looks for mechanics certified by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. This certification indicates they have mastered the skills required to maintain and repair cars. Toyota-specific training. Some mechanics receive specialized training directly from Toyota. These experts know your Corolla inside and out. Years of business experience matter. Established service centers with a long history are likely skilled and trustworthy. They have a track record of satisfied customers and reliable service. Continuous education. Automotive technology evolves quickly. Mechanics who attend ongoing training are up to date with the latest techniques and tools. Choosing a certified and experienced mechanic ensures your car receives top-notch care. Customer reviews and testimonials. Customer feedback can be a goldmine of information when picking a mechanic or service center. Reviews and testimonials offer real-world insights into the quality of service you can expect. Here's how to use them. Online review websites like Yelp, Google Reviews, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, feature customer feedback on local mechanics and service centers. Look for overall ratings and read through multiple reviews to get a balanced view. Social media. Check the mechanics or service center's social media pages. Customer comments on platforms like Facebook and Instagram can provide additional insights. Word of mouth. Ask friends, family, and coworkers for recommendations. Personal experiences can inform your decision better than any advertisement. Testimonials on websites. Many service centers feature customer testimonials on their websites. These can give you a sense of their customer satisfaction and service quality. Happy customers are a good sign that a mechanic or service center is trustworthy and does quality work. Service warranty and guarantees. A service warranty or guarantee offers peace of mind. It shows that the mechanic or service center stands by their work and provides an added layer of protection for your investment. Key points to consider include: warranty coverage. Look for warranties that cover both parts and labor. This ensures that if something goes wrong, you won't be out of pocket for repairs. Duration of warranty. Longer warranties often indicate a higher level of confidence in the quality of work. A 12-month or 12,000-mile warranty is a common benchmark. Transferability. Some warranties are transferable if you sell your car. This can be an attractive bonus for potential buyers. Guarantee terms. Understand the terms and conditions of the guarantee. Some may require you to return to the same service center for repairs, while others might offer more flexibility. A warranty or guarantee can save you from additional expenses and ensure that the work done on your Corolla is of high quality. By considering certification and experience, customer reviews, and service warranties, you can choose the best professional mechanic or service center for your Toyota Corolla. This decision is key to keeping your car running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Maintaining your Toyota Corolla with a solid maintenance plan is crucial. We've touched on key tasks like regular oil changes, tire care, brake inspections, and battery upkeep. Staying on top of these tasks ensures your car performs well and remains safe. Regular maintenance can save you money by preventing costly repairs. Be proactive with your Corolla's care. Stick to the recommended schedule and address issues promptly. A well-maintained Corolla will serve you reliably for years. Keep your car in top shape and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a smooth-running vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.